How to add 1099G on TurboTax. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video tutorial, I'll show you how to add a form 1099G on TurboTax. So first of all, you need to click on the search icon in the top and then type in 1099G. You will see the option that says jump to 1099G. Click on that and then TurboTax will ask if you received any of the listed types of income, and select yes and choose any relevant options that apply to you. After that, click on continue. And next, TurboTax will ask if you've received a state or local tax refund. If you did not receive the form, don't worry, you can either click on yes or no. Now you will enter the 1099G information, choose your state or locality, along with the total refund that you received, and any payments or withholdings, and the tax amount. Then click on continue. Then TurboTax will ask if any of the listed items apply to you. Check the appropriate boxes and click on continue again. And after that, provide the amount of your refund and click continue again. You can now add your 1099G once you've finished, and then click on done. Next, you will answer whether you took the standard deduction or if you itemized your deductions. Select the option that applies to you and then click on continue again. So that's it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.